Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I just want to do a quick channel direction for 2026. Okay, we'll be really hard on focusing on WebRTC plus AI, which means it's real-time voice agent. Okay, so our AI focus is voice agent, obviously, real-time, low latency through WebRTC, and stream audio pipelines, voice reasoning, and then actions or action on device and hybrid architecture. Okay, and we will also be focusing on some local AI, which we run on some consumer devices, some GPUs like consumer grade GPU, and also some edge devices. For example, okay, a strict Halo, the AMD iGPU, which I've been playing around lately. It's quite good. And also Mac Studio, and also Raspberry Pi and all that other stuff, and privacy first offline capable systems. Okay, running models outside the cloud, which we run it locally on either Mac Studio or a consumer grade GPU, or the strict Halo. Performance tuning on consumer hardware. So how do we run these big models on local AI? Okay, and the next one will be like probably cover some fine tuning, like small-ish models. So we can have our tell the model what we want, and we can feed more data in there. There is a lot of use cases, like for like companies that you don't want to share your data with all the cloud providers. Then local AI is it's most suitable for that use case. And also nowadays the consumable consumer grade hardware is getting better and better, which is fully usable. Okay, and then we're going to get into like speech systems like STT, which is speech to text, and then TTS, which stands for text to speech. So obviously this is like the crucial part of a voice agent. So we'll be streaming text, speech to text, and local versus cloud transcription. Okay, neural TTS and voice cloning as well. Okay, end-to-end audio pipelines. Okay, so this is probably the major part of what do you call it? Running a voice agent, because you need to transcode so WebRTC can understand what it is. Okay, and also we'll be doing some AI rappers apps, okay, which is super popular these days, either on mobile or desktop apps, and also we can do local AI UX patterns and shipping an AI feature user actually wants. Okay, so this part I'm not sure, I'm not sure if we want to do that, but leave some comments if you would like to see that. Okay, and the language and tech stack we will be going through. Okay, backend systems, Go and Rust, and maybe some TypeScript, because the problem I haven't write TypeScript on there is because TypeScript doesn't quite have a WebRTC stack, so it's quite difficult to have that in TypeScript, but in some cases we can. Okay, and then in the front end we will be doing like React, TypeScript for web, and Expo and React Native for mobile. Okay, desktop we'll use Tori, which is a Rust backend and web UI desktop framework. Okay, and also we will be going through some hardware in each AI. Okay, ESP32. For those who don't know what it is, it's really like edge hardware and really cheap as well. Okay, and edge devices, local AI machines, DIY AI hardware projects, running AI close to the sensor. Okay, and also we'll probably do some build in public. This stuff probably be more on shorts. I'll be sharing what sort of projects I'm going through. Okay, so we got a lot to go through this year. So yeah, if this interests you, please subscribe and stay tuned. Yeah, we'll be updating probably 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so we'll see you on that other end. Thank you.